And of course, it's much better if you use fresh corn. So go to the grocery store, pick out your corn and make sure it's nice and fresh and the tassels look nice and fresh. This is beautiful corn I got this week. And I'm gonna take it over to the sink and brush it with my brush. I'll show you what brush I'm gonna use. I have a large brush that I use on my cast iron, and I use it for my corn as well. You want to brush it good so that the silks come off the corn. We're going to rub a little soft butter on our corn before we put it on the grill. So just dry it off good so that the butter will cling to it good on the grill. And if you're real picky about your silks, you can make sure they come off good. Now I'm just going to take this butter and put it on. All right, we're going to get our corn on the grill. The butter is going to make a fire. It's already starting to char. And that's what you want it to do. It only takes about 4 minutes to cook corn. Most people overcook it.
Yep, I want it to be hot, but I don't want it to burn. So I'll just kind of keep moving around so we're not sitting under that flame and cooking it too fast. Anytime you cook on charcoal, you got to kind of mind what's going on. Especially if something you want to cook fast like this.
Okay, I'm going to take this corn off. And we're going to take it inside and make us some delicious street corn. Come on in here with me. Alrighty, now real quick we're going to mix up our cream. You're going to use 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And 2 tablespoons of cream. Mexican style sour cream. Or you can just buy sour cream. Oh, runnier. And you're just going to mix this up good in a bowl. And you're going to rub it on your corn. Simple dimple. Cottage jaw cheese. Cottage jaw, I'm sure I'm saying it wrong, but that's the kind of cheese you use if you want to make the authentic Mexican style street corn. That's what I got. Now if you can't find it, you can just get the queso, the crumbly kind, but you do want a cheese that's crumbly. And grate it onto your corn. Like snow. Yummy. Then you're going to take chipotle chili pepper and just sprinkle it to taste. More or less, whatever you desire. I'm going to squeeze a little bit of lime on it. And if you have the stuff to do it, you can garnish it. And it's so good, it's good cold. So this is perfect for 4th of July. If you got a crowd coming, just go ahead and grill your corn and have it ready for them to try. When they get to your house, they will be so excited. I did notice at Kroger the other day, they had street corn in their produce section where they just put a few things in a pack with 4 pieces of corn. It wouldn't be quite as authentic as this, but it is a shortcut for those that want to grab some corn and grill it for 4th of July.
All right, I get to be the guinea pig. Poor me.
having to be a guinea pig. Wow.
What do you think, Daddy?
That is, we tried this one time before from a food truck, remember?
Yes.
This is
Way better than the food trucks. Yeah, because they all want to use
delicious.
canned corn, and
That's absolutely.
but fresh corn makes all the difference in the world, I'm sure.
That is so good.
I bet it is.
Wow. That'll really, I mean, that will really kick up your 4th of July meal, in my opinion.
Is it good enough to be good cold?
Yeah.
You want to grill it ahead of time?
I mean, it's great. I've never eaten it cold. I'm assuming it's going to be good cold. It's got a crunch to it. It's got a lot of, it's just so good.
Thanks for joining us on Colored Valley Cooks, where we cook like our mamas did. We'll see you next time. Happy 4th of July.
Cooking time, it's over now. Tammy, she just showed you how to cook it up like Mama used to do. So go on out and have some fun. Now you're getting dinner done with Colored Valley Cooks, your #1. Colored Valley Cooks, ain't we having fun? Colored Valley Cooks, we're getting